he went viral because they say that he predicted the Biltmore bridge collapse. That he predicted it because he said something on his
But
social
the bridge
media.
collapse
Yeah.
in Maryland,
Yeah. What do you say about that?
that he predicted bridge collapse.
He said one
Maybe
day,
he did. And then where's the proof? Did he?
he put it on social media one
Okay.
day before. He said something tomorrow very bad's
He
happening.
just said on March 26th, like 2 weeks ago, something bad was gonna happen.
Did it happen?
So,
Yes. A bridge collapse.
Nice.
Bernard, last thing, having retired at 50.
They didn't listen to him, did they? Nobody listened to him? And what happened? What happened?
Well, yeah, the bridge collapse. Yeah, that's what happened.
So- They should have listened to him.
That's what
If he said something else that
Well, he's saying in June there's going to be a really bad earthquake here in California. That's one of his predictions.
do you live here?
Yes.
Move. Move before what's the date again?
June.
Move before June. If you need help, leave tomorrow. So
Bernard, last thing, having retired at 50.
52.
52, yeah. What kind of challenges is a 57-year-old Mike Tyson gonna face fighting Jake Paul? I know Jake is not considered a fighter by any means by most people, but it's still like a 27-year-old reality star influencer fighter versus a 57-year-old Mike Tyson. The people are interested in the fight. Just your thoughts on what Mike Tyson could be facing against a Jake Paul?
no
a puncher.
comment. No comment.
No comment.
No comment.
Cool.
All right.
Thanks, Bernard.
Respect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, talk to you. Take care.
So there you have it right here. You guys are smiling. Zuda Ramirez, Golamarian. This is the quiet after the storm. Bernard Hopkins said move out of town by June. It's not going to end well. Here's the fighter from another part of the world.
Take another.
What country are they from?
Nicaragua.
Oh, Nicaragua. Nice.
Alexis Aguayo. Alexis Aguayo.
Well, I'll take you.
Smooth operator, Alexis Aguayo.
Chocolatito. Got all the tickets going?
Tickets.
Anybody wants tickets? Outside of the arena?
No, him
Joel
up.
Diaz Jr. How you feeling? Where's Chocolatito?
Ricardo Mayorga.
Mayorga. Muy loco. Número uno.
My brother.
Oh, he is? You look like him.
My brother, Ricardo Mayorga.
Really? Like Canal? How's he doing? He's happy? Feliz? He did MMA too, right? No, Ricardo did. One Just boxing?
Está fuera de línea ya.
What's he saying? He's done. Tell him we said hello. I gave him a lot of hats one day. I brought him in my car. I gave him a lot of hats. He- All right, so there you have it. Another DD Office, guys. Stay tuned. So, Bernard Hopkins holding court. Very interesting stuff. Stay tuned.